In front of me is HONOR Pad X8a, and today I would like to show you how you can operate a voice recorder. Begin by opening Recorder app that's already on your device and tapping on Allow or while using in all available pop-ups. You can also use those three lines at the top right corner to hit recording quality and select it. To start recording, use this red button at the bottom. And as you can see, after a couple of seconds, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use this right button. To add a bookmark, click on the left one. And you can also click on this one at the top right corner to enable or disable voice enhancement. When you're ready, use the same button in the middle to stop recording. Now to play it, click on it and use play button. To manage it, operate all of those options at the bottom here, or hold it on the list and operate all of those, like rename or delete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!